and welcome to today's YouTube video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to I'm going to teach you the proper installation of Python on your computer or your laptop. So the first thing I should do is go to your search engine and type in download Python, and then click the first link that shows up. Now when you click that first link, it's going to bring you to this web page. Now if we scroll down here, we can see there is a button here. It says download Python 3. The latest version of Python. This is for Windows, but if you're on another operating system like Linux, Mac OS, Unix, or the other ones, make sure you navigate your way down here and identify what operating system you're using. Since I am using Windows, I'm going to click download Python 3.10.1. So as you can see at the bottom part of the screen, it's already downloading the Python for me on my system. So we're going to get back when it is done downloading it. Alright, so it has finished downloading the Python for me. Navigate to your downloads folder on your computer and you should see it. So when you've seen it, just double click it. We are going to run the installation now. Now a lot of people always have problems when it comes to using the pip command, that is the Python install package. Pip install that. Now most of the problem is gotten from the installation. Now I'm going to show you how to overcome that problem. So just double click the executable file and then we'll get back. So this comes up. Now we can see we can just click install now, but I want you to notice these check boxes here. I want you to click add Python 3.10 to path, and then I want you to go to customize installation and make sure that pip is ticked and make sure that the rest are ticked. Then hit the next button. After doing that, you can just hit the next and the install button. So this is going to install Python for you on your system. Make sure pip is ticked. Now it's going to ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? Hit yes. Now make sure pip is ticked, because if pip isn't ticked, you won't be able to use the pip command, the pip command, to install packages on your laptop. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. Stay tuned for more videos from me.